new members camps. Our new members made so many new friends, learned how to talk about rainbow, basic rainbow skills, and how to spread positivity. Oh, and we made so many friendship bracelets. We had so much fun welcoming them and celebrating in the circus tent this year. Will any new members and any who brought a member please stand? Wow, look at all these new friends. This year, assemblies participated in the Greatest Show Challenge for the chance to win a Dairy Queen ice cream party. Do you guys want to know our winner? When I call the names of the assembly, please send a representative. Oh wait, I just found information that there's a tie. The Greatest Show Challenge winners are Snohomish and Puyallup Assembly. Come up and get your certificate. Thank you. We gave out individual awards at new members' lunch. Will anyone who received an award please stand? Will our top recruiter, Megan Berman, please come and get your trophy? Now for the Assembly Awards. If I call your assembly, please send a representative. In third place, we have a tie. Magic Valley and Lilac Assemblies. In second place, we have another tie. Skagit and Wenatchee Assembly. And in first place, by no surprise, we have Puyallup and Snohomish and Ford Assemblies. This trophy is to be given to the next assembly in January. So it'll start with Puyallup and then move to Snohomish. Awesome. So thank you all for your efforts in making Rainbow the greatest show. I encourage you not end here, but to continue to share Rainbow with your friends. I know how hard it can be to invite our friends and not feel judged for how they may react. But think about the impact that this organization has left on you and how you can let that same impact on them. Just start with one, because the power of one can and will make a difference.